Hi Year 5, it's me again, Mr. Hughes, and today we're going to be looking at multiplying 2 digits by 2 digits. We did some of this on Friday and yesterday on Monday when we were looking at the area models and we were partitioning our numbers and really breaking it down. Today we're going to move on to a more procedural method. Okay, it's a quicker method for working out 2 digits multiplied by 2 digits. So let's have a look at 39 times 24 first of all. So this is how we set it out. 39 times 24. You may notice that the 9 and the 4 are lined up in the ones column because the 9 and the 4 are worth 9 ones and 4 ones, and then the 3 and the 2 are lined up because they're both in the tens column. So I put a little T above that just to remind us. So the first thing we do when we're using this method is we always start with whatever number is here, just happens to be a 4 today, or in this example, we'll go through some more in a minute. So we're going to start with this number here, which is the 4, and we're going to go up, and we're going to multiply the 4 by the 9. So 4 times 9 is 36. So we can put the 6 ones here, in the ones column again, and we're going to carry the 3 over. We're now going to do 4 times 3. We're not actually doing 4 times 3, we're doing 4 times 3 tens, or 4 times 30 if you like. But we don't need to worry about that at the moment, and I'll show you why. So we're just doing 4 times 3, which will be 4, 8, 12, plus the 3 will be 15. So we've worked out so far the answer to 39 times 4. So the answer to 39 times 4 is 156. Okay, so we've worked that out, but we're not doing 39 times 4, we're doing 39 times 24. So we move on to the next row, and we're now going to do 39 times 2, or 39 times 2 tens. So what we're actually doing is 39 times 20, or 39 times 2 tens. So the way we get around this in this method is we always use a placeholder here. So whenever you're multiplying 2 digits by 2 digits and you move on to the next row, you always use this placeholder here. Very, very important. If you don't do it, you won't get the right answer. So this allows us now to just think of this 20 as a 2. So we can do 2 times 9. So on the next row, we start here now. 2 times 9, which is 18. So we'll put the 8 in the tens column, and we'll carry the 1 into the hundreds column, because 9 times 20 is actually 180, okay? So, and that's why we put the placeholder there. When we've done 2 times 9, we'll do 2 times 3, which is 6, plus the 1 that we carried over, so we put a 7. So we're now in the hundreds column, so I'll put a little H up there. So we've got 7 hundreds, 8 tens, and 0 ones, okay? So this here, 780, is the answer to 39 times 20. You might now be making some links back to the learning we did on Friday and Monday when we were looking at the area models and how we partition the numbers. So top line, 156 is the answer to 39 times 4, and then 780 is the answer to 39 times 20. The final step when you're looking at these sums is just to add up both these answers, which will give us the answer to 39 times 24. So 6 plus 0 is 6, 8 plus 5 is 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. And then we're in the hundreds column, so 7 plus 1 plus the 1 we carried over will be 9. So the answer to 39 times 24 will be 936. So go through that again if you wish. I'm going to have a look at another example now. And don't worry if you don't understand everything about this today. We're going to use the whole of the rest of the week to keep looking at multiplying 2 digits by 2 digits, and we're going to be going deeper and deeper into understanding why we do certain things. So today I just want you to understand the procedure and get used to that. So let's try another example. So 68 times 57. So first thing we're going to do, 7 times 8. Oh, excuse me. So 7 times 8 is 56. So we're going to carry the 5 over into the tens column. Remember, we've lined up the 8 and the 7 in the ones column, so 8 ones and 7 ones. And then in the tens column, we've got 6 tens and 5 tens. So we always start here. So obviously we're going to do so again. So 7, and you go up, multiply it by the number above. 7 times 8 is 56. We're then going to do 7 times 6, which is 42, and we're going to add 5, which will be 47. Okay, so what we're actually doing there is 7 times 60, okay, which would be a 470, but we've got 4 in the hundreds column and the 7 in the tens column. So we've now got the answer to 68 times 7. We're now going to move on to the next row. And what did we say that's really important when you move to the next row? Pause the video, have a think, what do we need to make sure we put in this position here? This is where most people are going to go wrong, or will have gone wrong if you've got the wrong answer at the end. Placeholder, you need to put the 0 there, very, very important. The rest of it will just fall apart without it. So when you put the placeholder there, we're going to look at this number here, which is actually 5 tens or 50, and we're going to do 5 times 8, which is 40. So no tens, and there's 4 hundreds. So once we've done that, we're going to do 5 times 6, so 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, plus the 4 is 34. So we've got 4 hundreds, 3 thousands, and the last step is just to add up these numbers. So we've got the answer, as I said, to 68 times 7, which is 476, and then we've got the answer to 50 times 68. So we'll add these up now. So we've got 6 plus 0 is 6, 7 plus 0 is 7, 4 plus 4 is 8, and then we've got the 3 on its own, so just 3. There we go, there you have it. The answer to 68 times 57 is 3,876. So the activity today, as I said, is just going to be a list of some sums that I want you to have a go at. Go back through this video, or maybe watch another video on YouTube to see someone else explaining it. There's going to be loads out there, and have a go at those sums. I'll put the questions on and then the answers will be underneath. If you've got any wrong, go back, have a look. What did you do wrong? Maybe you didn't include the placeholder. Maybe one of your times tables was a little bit off. Okay, best of luck. Take care. See you tomorrow.